While digital industrial inspection aims at improving production quality, the inspection process should also be able to provide cost reductions and support increased productivity. The ultimate goal is to fully automate complex inspection scenarios. Avizo Software for Industrial Inspection provides an advanced recipe mechanism that allows defect detection and part characterization to be automated. For a particular inspection workflow, the recipe is created just once and can then be replayed at any time. The recipe includes advanced analysis processes that give meaningful insight about defects that are detected during the inspection. The automatically generated quantifiable measurements allow a proper assessment of the part quality.